If you've been to our tramway recently, then you may have noticed this pile of tramway construction materials. These materials are from Bayswater railway station and were brought here during the demolition of the old Bayswater station in April this year. The materials will be reused on our tramway extension project, which will see our tramway extended to the Metronet Whiteman Park railway station. Consider subscribing to the channel to stay up to date with the latest information on the Whiteman Park Tramway Extension project.